Right. Step number 1 will be to present the information we have from the question. We've got Alan, Barry and Chris sharing £500. Alan received £60. Barry and Chris share the remaining money in the ratio 7-4. Work out the difference between Alan's and Barry's share. So we'll present the information, Alan to Barry to Chris. Then we know that Alan gets £60, so £60 will be written under Alan's name. And we also know that Barry and Chris share the money in the ratio 6-4 of whatever's left. So we're going to write that on a new line so that we have spaces to fill in our workings out space. That should be a 7-4. So there's 3 spaces in our 2 ratios that need to be filled in so that we have the complete information. So the second step would then be to reduce the total by what Alan receives. So Alan receives £60, so we do 500 take away 60, which means that Barry and Chris share £440. That's our second step, to work out the money remaining after Alan's share is removed. So we're going to do 500 take away £60, and that's going to be £440. So now we know that Barry and Chris share £440 in the ratio 7-4. So we're just going to use our sharing ratios method to divide that money up. So we're going to start by adding the ratio. 7 plus 4 is 11, so we have 11 parts in our ratio. So 440 needs to be shared into 11 equal parts. So we need to work out what one part is worth. So we're going to do 440 divided by 11. And that's going to be 40. Then we're going to multiply the ratio 7-4 by 40 to work out what Barry and Chris get. And that's the last step. So we've got 7-4. We're going to multiply both parts by 40. Barry gets £280. Chris gets £160. You can write those out, but that should be good enough for the answer. So step number 4 is to work out the difference, which is what the question is asking, and the difference between Alan, who gets £60, and Barry, who gets £280. The difference is £220, and you just need to write that out clearly.